Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. Today we're going to go through our 2019 August glove box and try not to get distracted with this beautiful Rolls-Royce Wraith behind me. Super hard to say that. Rolls-Royce Wraith behind me. So let's get to it. Per usual, our insert card, and on the back of the insert card we have a list of everything that's included in this month's glove box. So first, from our friends over at Mothers, we have Instant Detailer. This is a great, easy product when you get to a car show, or if your car is lightly dusty and you just want to clean it up and get that deep shine back. It will also, and don't take this as I'm saying to hide scratches or hide marring, you want to be able to fix that if possible, but this will actually hide some of those light imperfections temporarily. So great little product to put on right before a car show or if you're going to get judged. Next, we have from Autofiber, our Detailer's Delight 550 GSM microfiber towel. Love it, goes perfectly with your instant detailer. Next, from Sonax, surprise, full size. This is like a monthly mystery box, so typically samples, but if we can, we'll put a full size in there for you guys. Sonax glass cleaner, ammonia free, safe on tint, works great on removing bug splatters from your windscreen. Next, from Nanotech Surface Solutions, Textile Shield. This is great on your interior fabrics to protect. It almost creates like this hydrophobic coating on your fabric. So if you're like me, if you have kids or you drink coffee and you accidentally spill, this will make easier cleanup and kind of protect your fabric, your carpet. Unpainted leather surfaces, suede, really good to try. Test it out, take some pictures of shooting some water on it and send it to us and let us know what you think. And then next, to take the spot of what was originally in this box, the Sonax glass towel, but we had a lot of people wanting the box at the last minute, so I ran out because I sent all those out. Just for a visual, we threw in this Autofiber right now for the video purposes. This is the double flip towel from Autofiber. Great towel. We had this in past boxes, but they also branded it for us and sent this to us at Glovebox Detail Matters, which is awesome. If you think about it, you can get these made through Autofiber for your detail company or for yourself and get it branded with your company name and leave it in there for your clients so they're always thinking about you. So there it is, guys, your August 2019 glove box, and bam, clean, drive, repeat. Up in our store at gloveboxdetail.com, we have our shirts up. This, along with some others you can check out. This is what we do, clean, drive, repeat. So wear it, live it, be it. Also, you can sign up at gloveboxdetail.com to get your monthly mystery box, buy past boxes, build your own box. Also, make sure to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, all at Glovebox Detail. All right, guys, take care. See you on the next one.